Finding a good driving school can be a daunting subject when there are so many of them around. But Info Drive School of Motoring can confidently say that we are one of the best. Why do we think we are the premier driving school in East London? We are one of the few schools to only use fully qualified instructors who have mastered the full DSA syllabus, providing high-quality driving lessons. We pride ourselves for having instructors who understand that not everybody has the same ability or can learn at the same pace. So all our training is catered to your needs. Special care and attention is given to those who are nervous and low in confidence. We work step by step, gradually building their knowledge and confidence. You may already have passed your test, but require some extra training sessions. We can provide that too. We charge only £58 for the first 5 lessons. Call us today to book an appointment.